We've met a couple of times, Sarah admitted, though she hadn't actually spoken to her. Did you have any contact with her after July? No, none, Sarah replied hastily, July being the day we were at the lake. After that, I didn't see her again until Monday, and you weren't in any contact with her over the phone or via text. Nope, Sarah replied, feeling tears prickling at her eyes. The therapist looked up at her. Are you crying? No, Sarah lied, dabbing furiously at her eyes with a tissue. Why was Dr. Robin asking her these questions? Was she suspecting something? That thought sent another jolt of fear through Sarah. It wasn't like her doctor to be so direct. Usually she allowed Sarah to ramble and weave her own tale. Do you believe that Teresa Ruckween is dead? She asked. Startled by the question, Sarah shook her head. Of course I do. I mean, what does that even mean? She paused. You look convinced, the therapist said softly, that Teresa Ruckween is dead. You look convinced that you killed her, Sarah recoiled as if struck. Don't be ridiculous, she whispered. Of course I didn't kill her. Why would you say that? Because you're lying to me. I am not. You were in regular contact with the deceased, the therapist said, leaning forward. You knew her intimately. I think you feel guilty about something. I do, Sarah cried, her voice breaking. I feel guilty because I can't find her. Because I haven't seen her since July, but I didn't kill her. Please believe me, I wouldn't hurt a fly. Dr. Robin remained silent for a moment, letting Sarah's words hang in the air between them. I want to believe you, she finally said, but I need proof. Sarah felt a chill run down her spine. What did Dr. Robin want from her? How could she prove a negative? How could she prove she hadn't killed Teresa? As far as the police were concerned, she already had. And in that terrifying moment, Sarah understood that the only way out of the labyrinth she found herself trapped in was to get her therapist on her side.